Mastering language skills, summarizing versus paraphrasing. Hello language enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're going to tackle an important topic: summarizing and paraphrasing. Specifically, we're focusing on their differences and how to use each of them correctly. Whether you're writing an academic paper or drafting a professional report, being able to accurately summarize and paraphrase is crucial. First off, let's clarify what summarizing and paraphrasing mean. Summarizing involves taking the main ideas of a source and putting them into your own words in a condensed form. It's all about condensing the source material while retaining its core message. On the other hand, paraphrasing is about restating a specific passage or piece of text from the source material, also in your own words. However, in this case, the aim is not to make it shorter but to change its form while keeping the meaning unchanged. Now that we understand the basics of summarizing and paraphrasing, let's delve into their key differences. 1. Length. When summarizing, you're trying to make the text shorter, focusing only on the main points. However, when paraphrasing, the length of the text is usually similar to the original text, as you're simply rephrasing it. 2. Purpose. A summary is often used when you want to give an overview of a larger text, like an article or a book. Paraphrasing, however, is typically used when you need to clarify a particular point from a text in a way that is more understandable or fits better with the rest of your writing. 3. Detail level. A summary contains less detail as it only touches upon the main ideas. Paraphrasing, in contrast, retains all the original detail but in different words. Understanding when and how to use summarizing and paraphrasing in practice is crucial. Summarizing is particularly useful when you're dealing with a large amount of information. If you're reviewing a book or a lengthy report, for instance, summarizing can help you condense the important points and make it more digestible for your audience. Paraphrasing, meanwhile, is a handy tool when you want to include a piece of information in your writing that fits with your overall tone and style. It's also a good way to demonstrate that you understand the text you've read, as it requires you to express the same ideas using different words. And that wraps up our discussion on summarizing and paraphrasing. Remember, both are powerful tools in your language toolbox, but each serves a distinct purpose. The key is to know when and how to use each one appropriately. We hope this video has been informative and will help you become a more effective communicator in your academic and professional life. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.